All right, so we're looking at the domain here. The domain is from left to right. And we are starting at -5, but this is an empty circle, which makes this a parenthesis. So because that's an empty circle, it's going to be a parenthesis. And going to +5, which is also an empty circle, so also a parenthesis. All right, we're going to look at range. Range is your lowest value to your highest value. So my range goes from -5, which is an empty circle, so parenthesis, to my highest, which is a solid circle. There's two. I'm going to use the one that's solid. So it's going to be to +5, but that's going to be a bracket. Okay. Increasing. So the areas where it's going up, it's increasing from here to here. We talk about our x values, so from -1 to +1. So -1 is changing directions, so it's a parenthesis. Oh, I put +1. So from -1 until +1, where it's also changing directions from increasing to decreasing, so also a parenthesis. We're going to talk about where it's decreasing. Decreasing from here to here and from here to here. So from -5 to 1 and from 1 to 5. So at -5, it is an open circle, so parenthesis, to -1, where it's changing directions, so parentheses, and, well, that jumped, and, so capital U, also from 1, where it's changing directions, so parentheses, to 5, which is an open circle, so parentheses. So there's two different sections. We had to add them together, capital U. X-intercepts, where it crosses your x-axis. So it only crosses right here at 3, 0. So I'm going to write 3, 0. Y-intercept, where it crosses your y-axis, which is right here at 3. So I'm going to write 0, 3. The minimum, your lowest point, is -5. But because that's an open circle, I'm going to write approaching. Approaching -5. Because it doesn't actually ever get there. The maximum, however, is 5, and because that one is solid, you would say that is just going to be 5.